This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Let's take a look at FANG, and similar to the analysis we did yesterday for BYND, link in the description of the video. We can see here, if we take a look at a closer view from a monthly perspective, there is a level to watch, which is this 2018 monthly closing low, and that is at 92.24. So definitely there's just one simple way of looking at this. Bulls want this to hold above this price, which should bring some stability and a reason for eventually turning up. Otherwise, bears are watching this level because a break of this level does signify the possibility of much lower prices. You can also see here that the RSI is threatening to move to all-time lows. And we can see here that the MACDs are trading below zero and pushing to all-time lows. In fact, if we take a look at a closer view, we can see that considering the all data on a monthly chart, there is a possibility again of a price break, which would be bearish if it breaks below 92.24. And also, we can watch the RSI and MACD, because if both of them drop to fresh lows, that's going to be indicating that there's more major downside. So the main takeaway is 92.24 above that price level. Then the stock is stabilizing and stopping any further damage. A break below that price range might not be good. So again, 92.24. Links are gonna be in the description of the video for more information. Eric Mother with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESES.